Obafemi Awolowo University Ile-Ife. Àwọn professor tí wọ́n ti fún tẹ̀dọ̀ ìwé èyàn ò ní rí wọn níbi ìrandọ̀nà. Lóògùn ọ̀fẹ́ o, àbí Oníkòyí gbogbo ilẹ̀ Yorùbá. Ayíba Mojísọ́lá, ìyá mi Mojí Olórùka, ẹ máa bọ̀. Ayíba Mojísọ́lá, ẹ máa bọ̀. Lẹ́gbẹ̀ẹ́ àjọba rẹ̀.
Lẹ́ẹ̀kan sí àjọba Ọlọ́run Olódùmarè, ọba lórí gbogbo ayé àti ọ̀run àti òkun, ọba tó gbé ìránṣẹ́ rẹ̀ Aare Onakakanfo Ìbà Gani kalẹ̀. Adúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ yín Olódùmarè láti lóyún ẹ̀tí bá wa tọ́jú ààrẹ bọ̀ lọ́mọ ọwọ́ lọ́mọ ẹ̀rìnsẹ̀ ẹ̀tọ́jú wọn. Gbogbo ọ̀nà tí wọ́n tọ̀ kárìn ẹ̀yìn Ọlọ́run náà lè lànà fún wọn. Àdúgbò ayé Olódùmarè títí tọjọ́ ìní àdúgbò. Àwa kí ààrẹ ìfìfìtà Aare Onakakanfo gbogbo ilẹ̀ Yorùbá akíní pé ẹkú oríire òní. Akí Ayíba náà pẹ̀sí ẹkú iṣẹ́. Ààrẹ adúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ yìí fún ìwé tẹ́ gbé kalẹ̀ yìí tó máa jẹ́ ká mọ̀ nípa gbogbo àwọn ààrẹ tó ti jẹ láti 1587 gẹ́gẹ́ bí Professor ṣe sọ. Nǹkan ńlá lè yí tẹ́ fẹ́ fi hàn wá, nǹkan ńlá lè fẹ́ gbé jáde fún gbogbo ayé láti mọ̀. Láti ara wọn Aare Onakakanfo wọ̀nyí, a wá tún ilẹ̀ Yorùbá mọ̀. Nígbà tí a bá kọ nípa ààrẹ kọ̀ọ̀kan tó ti jẹ, àwọn 14 ṣáájú ààrẹ tòní, ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ nǹkan ńláńlá, ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ nǹkan tó ti parẹ́ táàrí mọ́ ẹ máa gbé jáde inú wa dùn àti pé ẹkú iṣẹ́ ẹkú oríire. Pẹ̀lú èyí tá a ti wí, pẹ̀lú inú dídùn, pẹ̀lú ayọ̀ là ń ṣe aṣọ lójú. Ìwé náà ni ẹ wò lọ gbogbo àwọn abáàdì. Wọ́n fi tó létí pé chief launcher wà, àwọn special launchers wà. So àdúró kí àwọn òṣìṣẹ́ wọn lẹ́yìn náà gbogbo àwa ọba, àwa náà gbogbo wa la máa ra several copies of this book for our kingdoms, for our libraries and for our people. Àdúgbò ìpínlẹ̀ yìí ọba sọ ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ pọ̀ ìwé yìí gẹ́gẹ́ mo yìí sọ ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ ìtàn Yorùbá ló máa gbé jáde fún wa. Àwọn tí Aare Onakakanfo tẹgbẹ́ ìwé ìjáde Ọlọ́run wà pẹ̀lú ní o. Ọlọ́run àpò máa ròyìn lágbára o. Ọgbọ́n ìmọ̀ òye àti làákàyè tẹ́tí fi kúnjú àyè náà tẹ́tí pọ̀ máa fi kúnjú ẹ̀. Ọlọ́run àpò máa fi dá yín lọ́lá. Ẹni ṣubú dànù o, ẹni ṣẹ́kù ẹ̀ níyànkú o. Agbára Ọlọ́run, ọwọ́ Ọlọ́run, ọwọ́ Ọlọ́run àpò máa wà lára yín. Professor ẹ̀kọ̀wé ẹ̀dùn sọ fún wa wípé Ọlọ́run wà pẹ̀lú yín o, ẹ̀kú iṣẹ́. And so our first edition today, several editions are still coming. We are waiting. May God prolong your life. May God bless your efforts. Gbogbo àwọn ọba akó oríire o. Lórí Aare Onakakanfo yìí o, akó oríire o. Ẹja máa fura wọn.
Organize every other day.
ọmọ kábíyèsí máa jí iná sókọ̀ báyìí. Cutting of the cake ní ọ̀pọ̀ sókọ̀ báyìí. Cutting of the cake ní ọ̀pọ̀ sókọ̀. Ẹ jẹ́ kí.
I'm also a member. Don't book a group again. I don't
láti fi ṣe ìpinnu ọdún karùn-ún tí Ọlọ́run gbé wọn dé ipò Ààrẹ Ọ̀nàkakanfò ilẹ̀ Yorùbá. Ohun tí a pè wọ́n náà ni ààrẹ. Tí a bá ti gbé ààrẹ ìwé obìnrin àpapọ̀ náà kí Ọlọ́run ọba akẹ́lẹ́ kí wọ́n ṣe ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ ọdún láyé. Ní orúkọ Ọlọ́run ọba bá Adéjọba Ṣẹ̀dá lábẹ́rẹ́ pẹ̀lú ẹfún mi ní ẹ̀yà bí ẹ̀dá Aare Onakakanfo of Yoruba land àti gbogbo àwọn ọba aládé àwọn ọrùn lẹ̀kẹ̀ wọ́n wà láàrin wa lẹ́nìí. Mo kí ọkùnrin, mo kí obìnrin, gbogbo ẹ̀yin ìyá wa mo kí yín o. I'd like to thank everybody for taking our time to be with us here today this afternoon. We are here to celebrate an icon, and we are here to give thanks to God for sparing the life of our indefatigable generalissimo of the Yoruba army, Gani Adams. The book we are presenting here today could be described as a brainchild of the Aare Onakakanfo. And it will surprise you that this book, the idea and the consummation of the idea, was all between a period of 7 days. I have never worked with such a speed in my career as a professor of African history. Aare called me towards the early morning of last Saturday, and he told me that, Prof, there is an emergency, and that the 5th anniversary, our coronation anniversary of the Aare Onakakanfo must not go without an academic publication. When he called me, I couldn't say no, because as a student of history, I'm always guided by one saying in Yoruba land that Aare Ona. It was such a situation for me that I couldn't say no. I only asked him for an extension of time for about 24 hours for me to get back to him. Fortunately, he considered. I said, bro, I'm expecting your call in another 24 hours. I ran through my library, my study centers, my friends and colleagues, and I said to them, there is an emergency. And this is an emergency that we cannot do without. Aare has ordered us to do a compendium on all the Aare Onakakanfos of Yoruba land from 1587 to date. It was a tall order. But to the glory of God, we have a book to present. The book is not only about the Aare Onakakanfo. It's about an introduction to the history of militarism in Yoruba land. Yoruba land started as a former civilization in the southern forest of present-day West Africa. We all know the history of Yoruba land, and we all know Ife as the cradle and birthplace of our civilization. Ife rose to prominence and importance over a period of time, and this prominence and importance was as a result of the capacity of the early rulers of Ife, and the fact that Yoruba started with an intellectual foundation which actually guided the institution and establishment of all the institutions of state that eventually assisted in building a nation out of the polyglot of states that Oduduwa inherited in Yoruba land. Ile-Ife is regarded as the source, but beyond Ile-Ife, Ile-Ife exported the idea to other parts of Yoruba land, and it was because of this that we have a plethora of states in Yoruba land, and we are divided, we are scattered all over the southern Yoruba section of Nigeria, that today, as a result of one factor or the other, especially the trans-Atlantic slave trade, we are scattered all over the world. Today, the Aare Onakakanfo is presiding over a population of more than 60 million Yoruba people in all the Yoruba culture areas of the world. The Aare Onakakanfo is the only title that is pan-Yoruba and that can only be installed by the Alausa of Oyo. Will they ask me why the Alausa of Oyo? My answer would be that it was only at Oyo that Yoruba developed what we call an empire. Yoruba grew from chiefdoms to kingdoms, and from kingdom to an empire. And Oyo has remained the only empire in Yoruba land, not until the 19th century, when Ibadan, during and after the 19th century civil wars, became another empire. But importantly,
Ibadan actually grew from the ashes of Oyo, and to a large extent, Ibadan will be regarded as Oyo speaking too. So the empire started at Oyo, and because of the start of the empire, there was the need to protect the metropolitan city and the provincial areas. Beyond that, there was also the need to protect the slave, the trade routes from the metropolis to the coast and to the savannah. That was what led to the emergence of the military class in Yoruba. And fortuitously for us, and fortunately for us, in 1587, a brilliant Alausa, an Alausa with a impeccable character and political sagacity, decided to create the office of the Aare Onakakanfo. Today we are celebrating the success of that idea by Alausa Ajago, who in 1587 created the office and title of Aare Onakakanfo. In this book, you will find within the pages of the book a further illustration of why the office of Aare Onakakanfo was created to protect the interest of the Yoruba people. At the beginning of the empire, Oyo had other non-Yoruba speaking people within its borders. And some of these non-Yoruba speaking people were incorporated into the larger Oyo empire. But along the line, some of them wanted to play more than decisive role in the affairs of the kingdom and of the empire, and especially of the palace. That was why Alausa Ajago became ingenious, became creative, and decided to create an institution that will put political and military power squarely in the hands of Yoruba. And that was what led to the emergence of the office and title of Aare Onakakanfo. Today we are celebrating Aare Onakakanfo because of the exploits of the previous Aare Onakakanfo. Aare Onakakanfo Gani is the 15th Aare Onakakanfo and the 3rd in contemporary times. He occupies a very unique position in the annals of the history of all Aare Onakakanfos. The uniqueness of his position is born out of the fact that this will be the first time in contemporary times that a committed, a dogged, a determined, a focused, a positively minded and positively motivated individual will be appointed Aare Onakakanfo. His appointment will be celebrated as a round peg in a round hole, and therefore we want to celebrate this, and that's why we are presenting to you the book Aare Onakakanfo in Yoruba history. I'd like to quickly add before I step down that this is just the first in the series. It is just a tip of the iceberg. Academic and scholarly attention will be focused on the office and title of Aare Onakakanfo. And why is this so? It is so because the 15th Aare Onakakanfo, Aare Gani Adam, within a period of 5 years, has redefined the office of Aare Onakakanfo. I think it deserves an applause. He has redefined the title and status of Aare Onakakanfo. He has expanded his mandate. He has creatively brought Yoruba land under one military umbrella, and that is what we are celebrating today. There are other instances and examples of his trailblazing contributions to the security of Yoruba land, and we are going to document this later in the year. I'd like to thank you for this opportunity, and I call the master of ceremony to please take over from there. Thank you.